Hi Xhorse fans, welcome back to our channel. Recently we're receiving more and more demands for BYD programming with increasing number of BYD cars on the market. However, the method of adding key for BYD is different from other ordinary cars, which many people may have trouble with. So in this video we'll go over how to add key for BYD. We can use Key Tool Max Pro, Key Tool Max, Key Tool Plus, Mini Key Tool, and other devices to complete the following operations. There are mainly two systems in BYD cars. One is the old system, generally used in models before 2021, and when we add key, we need to write the encrypted data into the new remote. The other is the new system, commonly used in models after 2021 without need to write the remote. And it's easy to distinguish between old and new systems. Just find BYD and start programming the new system. If the system is old, the device will prompt that this model doesn't match this process. Now let's dive into the process of adding a key for the car. This is the original remote and this is the new remote. Step 1. Generate remote. Press Remote Program on the main screen of Key Tool Plus and find BYD. Use the new remote to generate the same frequency option as the original remote. Then set it aside. Step 2. Write data. Write the encrypted data into the new remote. Enter transponder clone, choose ID46 online calculation, start clone and write BYD directly. Put the original remote into the coil for identification. Then remove its battery and choose the first method that's recommended. Place the coil close to the start button and use the original remote to press the start button for data collection. Press once to collect one set of data and now we press once. Then put the original remote into the coil for verification. The device will automatically upload the data for calculation and obtain the encrypted data. Next, put the new remote into the coil for data writing. Step 3. Password-free program. Connect vehicle OBD port and tablet. Enter EMO programming, find BYD, choose after April 2011 and start programming. As we have written the encrypted data into the new remote, we can choose the option of clear program to password-free program, and there will be a prompt. We must have a registered remote that can be used to start the car before we can continue the next operation. Tap on Yes to go on. Place the original remote close to the start button and here will show the number of keys currently programmed is 1. Then repeat it with the new remote and the number becomes 2, which means the new remote has been programmed successfully. Now it can be used for emergency start, remote control and smart function. Let's give the remote functions a try and start the car. Okay, that's all for BYD add key operations. Then let's take a look at these tips you may need when adding a key for BYD. If you have any questions or topics of interest, please leave a comment. See you in our next video.